Hello students, in last video we have discussed GST question number 1 to 7. Today we will start from question number 8. A shopkeeper buys a camera at a discount of 20% from a wholesaler. The printed price of the camera being 1600 rupees. The shopkeeper sells it to a consumer at the printed price. If the sale are intrastate and the rate of GST is 12%, find first part GST paid by the shopkeeper to the central government, second GST received by the central government, third one GST received by the state government, and fourth the amount at which the consumer bought the camera. So in this question, because this deal is intrastate, it means GST 12%, half will divide. 6% will go for CGST and 6% will go for SGST. First, cost price of camera for shopkeeper will be 1600 minus 20% of 1600 because shopkeeper is getting 20% discount. So calculate it, you will get 1280 rupees. So shopkeeper will pay GST on this amount 1280 rupees. So input CGST will be 6% of 1280 rupees. Calculate it, you will get 76 rupees 80 paise, and input SGST also will come same 6% of 1280 rupees equal to 76 rupees 80 paise. Now shopkeeper is selling this camera at the rate of 1600 rupees at the printed price only. So output CGST means 6% of 1600 because consumer is paying 1600 rupees, so he will give tax according to this money. So 6% of 1600 rupees 96 rupees, and SGST also will come same 96 rupees. So the difference between these two taxes the shopkeeper will pay to the central government. So GST paid by the shopkeeper to the central government means output CGST minus input CGST. So output is 96 rupees and input 76 rupees 80 paise. So difference between these two CGST is 90 rupees 20 paise. Shopkeeper will pay to the central government. Now second part, GST received by the central government. Central government totally received 96 rupees. 19 rupees 20 paise. Shopkeeper is paying later, and before he paid 76 rupees 80 paise. So before 76 rupees 80 paise and remaining 90 rupees 20 paise he will pay later. So total 96 rupees central government will receive. Next is third part, GST received by the state government. It will also same. First shopkeeper has paid 76 rupees 80 paise as GST and later on 19 rupees 20 paise. So total will be 96 rupees. And fourth part, the total amount paid by the consumer. Consumer will pay 1600 rupees the printed price along that CGST and SGST. So total 1700 rupees 792 rupees. Question number 9. A dealer buys an article at a discount of 30% from the wholesaler. The marked price being 6000 rupees. The dealer sell it to the consumer at a discount of 10% on the marked price. If the sale are intrastate and the rate of GST is 5%, find the amount paid by the consumer for the article. Second thing, the tax under GST paid by the dealer to the state government. And third one, the amount of tax under GST received by the central government. So first of all, for dealer we will calculate. For dealer, cost price is 6000 minus 30% of 6000 because dealer is getting here 30% discount on marked price. 30% of 6000 is 1800 rupees. So finally dealer is paying 4200 rupees. Now because this deal is intrastate, it means 5% GST, 2.5% will go for CGST and 2.5% will go for SGST. So input CGST, input means the whatever dealer is paying to the government. Input CGST is 2.5% of 4200 equal to 105 rupees. Input SGST also will be same 2.5% of 4,200 rupees equal to 105 rupees. So for consumer, now next, for consumer cost price will be 6,000 minus 10% of 6,000, because consumer is getting 10% discount on marked price. So 10% of 6,000 is 600 rupees. It means consumer is paying 5,400 rupees for this article. Output CGST will be 2.5% of 5,400 rupees equal to 135 rupees, and output SGST also will be same, 135 rupees. Now first part, the amount paid by the consumer for the article. Consumer is paying 5,400 rupees as CP, along with that 135 rupees CGST and 135 rupees SGST. So total 5,670 rupees he will pay. Second part, tax paid by the dealer to the state government. So tax paid by the dealer to the state government will be output SGST minus input SGST. 135 rupees minus 105. Difference 30 rupees he will pay for the state government. Third one, tax received by the central government. So central government, first shopkeeper has paid 105 rupees, and the difference between these two CGSTs 30 rupees again he will pay. So total 135 rupees he will pay to the central government. So central government will receive 135 rupees. Next question number 10. The printed price of an article is 50,000 rupees. The wholesaler allows a discount of 10% to a shopkeeper. The shopkeeper sells the article to a consumer at 4% above the marked price. If the sales are intrastate and the rate of GST is 18%, fine. First, the amount inclusive of tax which the shopkeeper pays to the article. Second one, the amount paid by the consumer for the article. Third one, the amount of tax paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. Fourth, the amount of tax received by the state government. So first we will start from shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is purchasing this article at 10% discount. Marked price is 50,000 rupees minus 10% of 50,000. So 10% of 50,000, 5,000. It means cost price is 45,000 here. So shopkeeper will pay tax on this 45,000 rupees. Because this deal is intrastate, so 18% GST, half CGST 9% and SGST 9%. Input CGST is equal to 9% of 45,000 equal to 4,050 rupees. Same input SGST also will be 4,050 rupees. It will come same. So first part, the amount inclusive of tax paid by the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper pays 45,000 as cost price. Then along with that 4,050 rupees CGST, 4,050 rupees as SGST. So total 53,100 rupees he pay for that article. Second part, for consumer. The consumer has purchased this article at 4% above the marked price. Marked price is 50,000 and 4% above means 4% of 50,000, 2,000 rupees. It means consumer is paying 52,000 for this article. So consumer will pay 9% of 52,000 as CGST. Output CGST 9% of 52,000 equal to 4,680 rupees. Output SGST also will be 9% of 52,000 equal to 4,680 rupees. So the total amount paid by the shopkeeper to the central government will be 4,680 rupees minus 4,050 rupees. Output CGST minus input CGST equal to 6,030 rupees. Fourth part, amount of tax received by the state government. So state government will receive 4,050 rupees first and the difference between both the SGST 630 rupees later. So total will be 4,680 rupees. Second part, the total amount paid by the consumer will be 52,000 plus 4,680 plus 4,680. Total will be 61,360 rupees. Question number 11. A retailer buys a TV from a wholesaler for 40,000 rupees. He marks the price of the TV 15% above his cost price and sells it to a consumer at 5% discount on the mark price. If the sales are intrastate and rate of GST is 12%, find the mark price of the TV, amount which the consumer pay for the TV, the amount of tax paid by the retailer to the central government and amount of tax received by the state government. So first, this deal is intrastate. It means 12% GST, half divide for SGST and CGST. Now first, retailer is selling this TV for 40,000 rupees. So input CGST will be 6% of 40,000, 2,400 rupees. Input SGST will be 6% of 2,400 rupees. Now mark price for this TV will be 40,000 plus 50% of 40,000 because he is marking above 15%. So 15% of 40,000 is 6,000. So mark price will become 46,000. Now retailer is selling this TV on 5% discount. So he marked 46,000 as mark price, then 5% of that he is giving discount. So discount means we have to less 5% of that, that is 2,300 rupees. So selling price of TV will be 43,700 rupees. So consumer will pay tax on this money. So output CGST will be 6% of 43,700 rupees equal to 2,622 rupees. And output SGST also will be same, 6% of 43,700 rupees. So first part, mark price of TV will be 46,000. Second part, amount of TV paid by the consumer. Consumer is paying 43,700 rupees after discount and 2,622 as CGST, 2,622 as SGST. So total will be 48,944 rupees. Third part, amount of tax paid by the retailer to the central government. So output CGST minus input CGST equal to 222 rupees. Fourth one, amount of tax received by the state government. So state government, already the retailer has paid 2,400 rupees first, then the difference between output and input tax 222 rupees later he will pay. So total state government will get 2,622 rupees. Question number 12. A shopkeeper buys an article from a manufacturer for rupees 12,000 and mark up its price by 25%. The shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on the markup price and he gave a further off-season discount 5% on the balance to a customer of TV. If the sales is intrastate and the rate of GST is 12%, find the price inclusive of tax which the consumer will pay for TV. Second one, the amount of tax paid by the state shopkeeper to the state government and the amount of tax received by the central government. So first, because the sale is intra-state, so GST will divide half, 6% CGST and 6% SGST. Now we will start from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper has purchased this article for 12,000 rupees. So input CGST will be 6% of 12,720 rupees. Input SGST also will be same, 720 rupees. Then next he marked the TV above 25%. So mark price of TV will be 12,000 plus 25% of 12,000. So 25% of 12,000 is 3,000. So mark price of TV is 15,000. Then he is giving two discount. First discount is 10%. So selling price after first discount will be 15,000 minus 10% of 15,000. So 10% of 15,000 is 1,500 rupees. So after first discount, selling price is 13,500 rupees. Again he is giving a off-season discount 5%. So next discount is 13,500 minus 5% of 13,500. That is equal to 675 rupees. So finally selling price is 12,825 rupees. These discount we have to subtract one by one. Together we cannot subtract 15% discount. After this, next output CGST will be 6% of this final selling price. 6% of 12,825 rupees equal to 769 rupees 50 paise. Output SGST also will be same, 769 rupees 50 paise. So finally the amount paid by consumer will be the selling price plus CGST plus SGST. So 12,825 plus 769 rupees 50 paise, 769 rupees 50 paise, total will be 14,364 rupees. Second part, the amount of tax paid by the shopkeeper to the state government. So that will be output SGST minus input SGST. 769 rupees 50 paise minus 720, 49 rupees 50 paise. Third part, the amount of tax received by the central government. So central government will receive 720 rupees before he paid and 49 rupees 50 paise later he will pay. So total will be 769 rupees 50 paise. Finally it will come equal to the output CGST. Question number 13. The printed price of an article is 40,000. A wholesaler in Uttar Pradesh buy the article from manufacturer in the Gujarat at a discount of 10% on the printed price. The wholesaler sells the article to a retailer in Himachal at 5% above the printed price. If the rate of GST on the article is 18%, find the amount inclusive of tax paid by the wholesaler for the article, amount of inclusive of tax paid by the retailer, the amount of tax paid by the wholesaler to the central government, amount of tax received by the central government. So here both the deals are interstate. So here CGST and SGST will not be there. Total 18% GST will become IGST, integrated goods and service tax. So first for wholesaler. Wholesaler is purchasing this article on 10% discount. So 40,000 minus 10% of 40,000 is 400. So he is purchasing this article at 36,000. Next, so he is paying IGST, input IGST will be 18% of 36,000 equal to 6,480 rupees. First part, amount paid by the wholesaler will be 36,000. After discount he is paying, and 6,480 rupees he is paying as tax. So total 42,480 rupees he is paying. Now for retailer, cost price is above 5%. So 40,000 plus 5% of 40,000. So 5% of 40,000 is 2,000 rupees. So cost price for retailer is 42,000. And this deal also interstate. So here also total 18% will be IGST. So 18% of 42,000 is 7,560 rupees. So amount paid by the retailer will be 42,000 he is paying for article plus 7,560 rupees he is paying as tax. So total will be 49,560 rupees. Third part, amount of tax paid by the wholesaler to the central government. So it will be equal to output IGST minus input IGST, the difference between both the taxes. 7,560 minus 6,480 rupees equal to 1,080 rupees. Fourth part, amount of tax received by the central government. So finally central government will receive equal to the output tax. So before the shopkeeper wholesaler has paid 6,480 rupees, and later the difference between both the tax 1,080 rupees he will pay. So total will be 7,560 rupees. Thank you for watching.